Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing a look inspired by the Crow movie. Last year I did the look from the movie with the black crying tears, but this time I thought I'd see how it looked in red. So for this look I'll be using the Mehron red face paint. And this look kind of has some clown elements to it, so first I start out with a sort of diamond shape in the middle of the eye. Then I fill in that shape pretty messily, kind of going outside of the lines. Then I fill in the waterlines with red eyeliner. Then I take some water on my finger and start smudging the shape we created, trying to make it look lived in and cried in. Then for the tears, I make a drip and then sort of move my face to make it drip in the direction I want it to go. You want it to try to connect the eye to the edge of the mouth. And you want to do that on both sides. Then you want a few shorter tears to connect with the outside tear. So again, I'm just making it drip and then directing my face in the way I want it to go. Then making a mouth drip on each side. And a few smaller tears on the inner corners. And that completes this red crow-inspired crying tears makeup look. I think it looks interesting with the red, kind of gives it a more bloody horror type of look. You could also adapt this look and make it look even more clown-like for a creepy clown. I think this is a fun and easy Halloween makeup look with either the red or the black. And you could add contact lenses to make it an even creepier look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.